Hello! Welcome to Twinkl Kids TV, where in today's How to Draw, we're going to be creating the perfect pelican. We'll be using a pencil for the first layer before going in with a pen for the final lines. So make sure you have both of these and let's get started! Start by drawing a super simple circle at the very top of the page. Beneath this, to give your pelican a body, draw a big oval, tilted slightly to the side. Add in a triangle just overlapping the very bottom of this oval. Pelicans are known for their huge beaks and pouches for catching their prey. So, of course, the drawing is going to need these. Draw a sausage shape from the left side of the circle. Beneath this, draw a smooth line, creating a big U shape for its pouch. Imagine all the fish it could catch in there. Draw a small circle within the bigger one for an eye, followed by a line connecting the head and the body. Sketch in 2 straight lines under the oval for legs. You can then draw 3 smaller lines off of these, all in different directions. As you've got this far, why don't you take a second to subscribe to our channel? You'll be the first to know about all the amazing videos we upload. As we have our first layer, it's time to use our pen and add some more detail. Start by tracing over the pencil line for the head, adding in a few little bumps as you go, to show that the pelican has some tufty feathers. Once you've continued the line down the neck, go back to where you started and trace the other side of the head, adding in a little curve for the start of the beak. Time for the most important part. Trace over the sausage shape for the beak and, of course, the pelican's pouch. Overline the circle for the eye, adding in a smaller curved line inside it. Follow the pencil guide for the body all the way down to the triangle. However, then, using your pen, add in some long, thin curves all the way into the middle of the oval. This is the pelican's wing. Once the curves have almost reached the top, connect the line back to where it started. Now, trace along the bottom half of the oval, adding in those same little curves for some more feathery detail. To join the pelican's belly to the wing, use the triangle as a guide and create 3 long, thin lines to create a tail. To finish the legs, follow the pencil markings and go around each line to create some toes. Now the toes have been made, it's time to add in 2 little lines between them to make them webbed feet. This allows them to paddle through water so much faster. Now it's the best part. Time to colour in. I've made the wing grey, and of course the beak and pouch are bright orange. What colours will you choose? Thanks so much for joining us today at Twinkl Kids TV. We hope you enjoyed learning how to draw this amazing pelican. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.